Hi there, welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna show you 4 different outfits for spring summer with only one blazer. If you're new to the channel, my name is Mehrnificent. Don't forget to like the video and please subscribe to my channel so you can stay tuned. So the blazer I picked for today is this one. It has a neutral color. It's oversized and I think it's a must-have for your capsule wardrobe. As you'll see, you can make a lot of looks with this one. And I'm gonna show you 4, so let's see what happens.